What's up, everybody? I'm Dustin. This is Life in a Mustang, bringing you another episode of This Tool is Cool. And today I got something that I needed out of necessity, and that's why I'm going to go over this. This is the Speed Out. It says as seen on TV. I've seen this brand around. I have a brake reservoir on a dirt bike that before I bought the dirt bike, someone had stripped those screws out, maybe to put fluid in it, check the fluid. I don't know, bleed the brakes, whatever. The screws stripped out. I needed something that could get that little tiny screw on that dirt bike reservoir out of there. So let's go ahead and check out this Speed Out and see if it works. We're gonna have to jump over to the vise, grab some tools. We're gonna go ahead and cut this thing open and check out what it has inside. Fun fact, these plastic things that everyone has so much trouble for, never has a knife or scissors, handy when you want to open it, are actually sealed together with sound waves. Just thought you should know. I'm going to open it up from the side here in case I want to hang it. Right here on this card, we have a number 1, number 4, number 7, number 10, 5mm. Number 2 is 8mm, 10mm, 1/4, and 6mm. Number 3, Speed Out. So this would be 3. This is 1, which is 4 and 7, 10 and 5. Right here is 2. This would be 8 and 10, 1/4, and 6mm. This is number 3 bit in the package, and it would be 11, 14, 5/16, 8mm. And number 4 in this would be 16, 24, 38, and 10mm. That would be that one, the biggest one right there. So I'm going to read the directions. Look, this card conveniently fits in the top of this little carrying case. It comes just like this. Close that up. Boom, bang. Let's see how these work out. Okay, so let's read these directions here. Let's see. Congratulations with your purchase of Speed Out. So that the contact area an additional 1/16 or deeper than before or applicable to try moving up in a bit size. Yeah, basically try to go up in a bit size, and it says to use caution right there. Speed Out, helpful hints. Here's the directions on this other side. So this is extract, step number 3, extract. You guys will have to read these for yourself. Apply firm pressure while reversing and speed out. So you flip the bit over, drill it out, put the bit in, make the thing, flip the bit over, and then pull it out. Let me go ahead and have a little look-see here, and let's get it done. Okay, I will say that this Speed Out set did work. It was actually a great buy. I'm thrilled, I really am. To order a new master cylinder reservoir front brake assembly for that dirt bike was up to the $125 range. With this bit right here, this was the number 1 bit. You stick side A in and you use reverse to kind of drill that hole out, and then you swap the bit around and you go to side B, and then it has a threaded side that is spun backwards, so you put the drill in reverse again, and as the drill bit goes down in that hole you just did out with side A, side B bites down, backs that screw out of there. This Speed Out was a great thing. I really am glad that I got it. It did save me a bunch of money. Definitely going on the wall as a cool tool, and I just got to get this screw off, order some new screws from Yamaha, and yeah, hanging this one on the back, and I'm calling it a tool that I will definitely use. This has been Life in a Mustang with an episode of This Tool is Cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and I'll see you later. I'm building a car. I really am. I really do have all the forged internals, but some of the forged internals that I have will fit a Coyote. I'm probably going to build the 2-valve. The rods will fit. That's all. The rods I have will fit a Coyote. Anyways, see you later. Bye.